So how do you mute all groups on your iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything important. So you can go to your messages like this and locate the group which you want to mute. Of course, you can swipe left on it as a thread, and there is the mute button which lets you mute the notifications from that particular chat, the group chat, and you'll be able to see it in here in the messages, but you're not getting notifications. So that's like one option. But if you have a lot of groups in here, you can either do it manually one by one, or if you need it, you can set up a focus mode to block out the notifications from multiple different places. Inside of these settings, we have a dedicated focus section where multiple different focus types are available. So it doesn't matter if you choose the work or personal, whatever else it might be, but the point is that you can manage the people as well as notifications from different apps. And you can decide that, for example, during this period of time, you only choose some of your favorite people, like the favorites contacts, to be able to reach you, but not the other people. Or you can turn off the notifications from Messages app altogether and allow it for other apps, right? So that's how it works. And once you have it set up, just go to the control center, turn on the focus mode that you just set up, and it's going to be active until you turn it back off. So that's like a very useful method. I use it all the time. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up for yourself as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future videos.